In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil life indicator on a 2022 Toyota Corolla. Not too difficult once you know what you're doing. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you'll notice this directional pad. We'll use it to navigate through the menus. The first thing I'll start with is by pressing the right button here. When I press the right button, you'll notice that it starts to go through the menus. I'm going to go to the one that looks like a gear. Once I get there, then I'm going to press the down arrow button to get to vehicle settings. And then I'm going to press and hold the OK button for about 2 seconds. It will then pull up the vehicle settings. I'm going to go to scheduled maintenance, press the scheduled maintenance, or press the OK button again, arrow up to reset data. And now the reset has been complete. That's all there is to it. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.